the basic philosophy and teachings of the Rasa Tattva itself, they come from the teachings of Bharat Muni. Bharat Muni wrote a famous shastra called Natya Shastra. And Natya Shastra is the art of drama or dance. So there, in drama or dance, as you know, when you see cinema, in cinema or movies, well, we could say movies or cinema, the actor and actress, they have to convey different emotions and feelings. So all those rasas and feelings that are in material drama, Rupa Goswami has taken all of those and used those to describe Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and Ujjwala Nilamani, to describe the transcendental rasas and exchanges of Radha and Krishna. So that means that there's a parallel. There's a parallel. Of course, it's quite different in quality and quantity. The emotions and the sun. We have, in other words, you'll see in drama and live dramas or in movies. If you know the science of drama, you will see that these are sanchari bhavas, these are sattvic bhavas. You know, someone's crying and they're trembling. These are sattvic bhavas, but it's just mundane. It's just mundane heroes and heroines. It's not Radha and Krishna. And so this is how, when one approaches and tries to understand Rasa Tattva, the transcendental emotions and exchanges of Radha and Krishna and the gopis, that's why Rupa Goswami, he saw this is a perfect template. This is a perfect outline. I have to fill it in with lilas of Radha and Krishna and expand it even more. So when you see Ujjwala Nilamani, the types of 360 different types of nayakas, means heroine. He expands Bharat Muni's original Rasa Tattva, theory of Ras, in so many proportions and so many degrees, because Krishna is Bhagavan and Radharani is his Nitya Shakti. So then you understand this is really transcendental. There's so many levels. You know, Madhya and Antika, Madhya and Mridu, and 3 different degrees, and Uttam and Madhyam and regular. It's really unbelievable. It's so challenging to try to wrap your intelligence around it. I've been kind of, it's like one of those tether balls, these huge things. But eventually, if you're persistent, and the Krishna kind of reveals one by one, even what I'm saying, it was only due to my own revelation.